And there he is. We got Curbs. We just left his container. Don't know why. And then we got these two. There's Chansey. There's Evie. And there's our buddy Kirby. Hi, bud. Kirby. Where you heading, buddy? What, do you want scratches? Oh, you're gonna scratch, okay. I thought you wanted me to scratch for you, pal. All right then, buddy. What's up? And we got the dogs. All three of them out with wifey. Hiya, Kirby! Hello, boy. You so cute. Say bye-bye. Curbs. Yeah, he doesn't care. You gonna say bye? He said, no, I'm just gonna eat. Okay. Alright, so the hose is frozen for the chickens. So we might have to bucket everything, but at least they got, well, she's going after the ice. Ducks are over there. There's my security guard. There's the queen. And there's the icebreaker, apparently. She's going after the ice. So weird. Never seen that before. So I might have to bucket things in. That hose is frozen. Frozen ice. There you go. Hi, bud. Alrighty.